White knuckle jerk. White knuckle jerk, where do you get off? Will would end the tapeworms. Let's see if my voice cracks again. She's got a snake of loading dice rising cash cow. I'll be her burning victim, hyper so damn hot. Come smiling like a blacked out, and I woke up in the name, right into the sound of an empty bed. It's ringing, and it's ringing in my ears just like the sweet nothing from the voices in my head. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Oh Lord, don't ask me what I mean. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Oh Lord. You got the touch of an anesthesiologist. Please put me under, because I tremble and I know that there's something unsaid about my. So I wonder how I woke up in the middle of my surgery and watched them botch my heart. And the only thing I thought was, this will have to be the end if it doesn't start. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Oh Lord, don't ask me what I mean. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Voice crack. Oh Lord. I'll never know. I'll never know. I'll never know. What it's like to love you. I'll never know. I'll never know. I'll never know. What it's like to love you. Oh no. My voice crack is so bad with this one. Oh my God. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Oh Lord, oh it's bluer than my balls. Where do you get off being so goddamn beautiful? Oh Lord, just say it's on me. God damn. I cannot hit those high notes.